Hello everyone, this is our second video of the PMBoK7 edition. This one is focusing on system for value delivery. This is also part of the 7th edition section 1 before you go into knowledge areas, what we now see as performance domains. So let me share the slides with you and talk about system for value delivery. Now you can see here, we have things we know, we have things we know well, like output, outcome, benefit, and the value. Here, outputs are the things we produce immediately. Like, say one example, training program. We do a training program and we complete it, give the certificates, outputs are given, and people are going to benefit from that. So basically, outcome will be train people, and then benefit will be whatever they learn in the class or in the program, we can go back and apply to current workplace. So those are the benefits we are going to get out immediately. So we will be using some templates we got and some strategies we have learned. We are going to apply it and get the benefit. Value means, you can see after benefit, we have value here. Value is something we see over a period of time. After sometimes we see, oh, now we have trained professionals and they do things differently and they have brought so much value to our organization. So that, that moment is what we realize, okay, we have created some value. This project has created value in the organization. This is a long process, but the new thinking is, as project managers, we have to be responsible to create that value for the project, value for the organization. So any project we undertake, we have to make sure we are delivering the value. This is the thinking PMI is introduced to us, introduced into project managers. Okay, project managers, do this. Don't just wash your hands and go after project is completed. Make sure the value is delivered. So this is the new thinking, because I remember there was a time we used to say after what is defined is done, you go. Wash your hands and go. Hand over to customer, hand over to support, you are done. The project manager's role is over. But now we can't do that. When we come up with the idea, when we come up with a business case, we come up with a benefits management plan where we define what are the benefits we are going to get out of this project. And then throughout the project, we have to make sure whatever we do going to lead to those benefits we have defined in the planning stage. That means at the end of the day, we are going to create value. While we learn the PMI standards, if you look at Prince2 standards, you can see continued business justification happening throughout. So this is like that. We have to continue that business justification throughout the project and make sure we will get that value. So this is really important. Whenever we plan our projects, our programs, and our portfolios, our day-to-day operations, and the organizational work, we have to make sure whatever we do will create the value we expect that to create at the beginning. Very important. So PMI new standards have one section on this, system for value delivery, one whole chapter talking about that, because it is really, really important for any project to deliver its value. It's a responsibility of the project manager. So before we go into details of other areas of the PMBoK7 edition, I think we will stop it here, because we don't need too long videos, right? I keep saying that. So remember, whenever we do something, make sure any project will deliver its value. To deliver the value, make sure it is justified properly in the business case and the benefits management plan. Then we can make sure throughout the project that value will be delivered. That's all we have to know here mainly, but there's a lot to do. So now it's time to take that action and deliver the value from your project. Thank you. See you next time.